Bit. You see him? Look at his little face. All right, how did I regrow my hair? I haven't always had a lot of hair. Lately, a lot of people have noticed that, my hair is a lot thicker and I have a thicker and more defined hairline. And a lot of people have asked me, have you gotten plugs? Have you gotten surgery? And I haven't. I'm very surprised to see, but I actually have reversed my balding. I have actually reversed my balding. I have successfully accomplished that. I didn't think it was possible. It didn't happen overnight. And honestly, I didn't even realize it until someone came up to me and said, how do you have such thick hair? And my entire life, I have had thin hair. And I was like, what? And that's where I looked up old pictures of myself, and that's where I saw the difference. I decided to make a video to share my journey and share with you what has worked for me. I tried this new treatment that a friend recommended to me. It's kind of a semi-experimental treatment. It's called PRP, platelet-rich plasma. And what they do is they take blood out of your vein and they put it in the centrifuge. And what the centrifuge does is it separates the platelets, the platelet-rich plasma, from the red blood cells. And they take the platelet-rich plasma and they put it into a syringe and they literally inject it into your scalp. All around your scalp and the areas that, you're thinning or have receding hair. And your scalp is kind of like, a farmland. You gotta farm it. You got to, break down the soil and fertilize it and plant the seeds. And, the hair follicles are already rooted in there. And so the theory is that, by adding this platelet-rich plasma in there, you are creating the environment to really fertilize the grounds and give those roots and give those follicles everything, all the nutrients they need, and the environment they need to really grow strong and healthier. I did 4 months and once a month, so 4 sessions total. Takes about 30 minutes. They take out the blood, separate it, inject it. And they take really great care of you. I did this treatment at a local med center called Blue Med Center. And they did a fantastic job, made me feel very comfortable, explained the procedure to me. Tim, the owner there, is such a doll. Very, very reassuring of the entire procedure. And it's a fraction of the cost of the surgery. It seems to have worked. And I didn't need to chop off my hair and walk around bald with scars or anything. I just kept it going about my day. No one realized. Took 30 minutes out of my day once every month for 4 months and just continue on with my regular routine. Now, there is an after treatment routine and I'm going to share that with you today so you can see what it's all about. I continue to take my finasteride daily. I've been taking this for about 10 years. And honestly, I don't know, it never reversed my balding or my hair thinning. I still continued to get thinner and thinner hair as time went by. The theory is it slows it down. And I wouldn't know where I would be, but I remain faithful that if I wouldn't have taken it, I probably would be bald by now. Definitely make sure you talk to your doctor about this if you have a concern about your hairline or your hair loss. Next step is something that I've added to my daily routine, just like brushing your teeth every day, going to work out every day, meditating, whatever it is, making the bed every day. It's just one little thing that we add. I just want to share, when you consider what you're gonna have to do, don't let that deter you. Usually the thought of something is scarier than actually doing it. And it really isn't that invasive or that weird. It just becomes part of your nightly process. All I do is I take a little MicroNeedle roller like this, a derma roller, and I just roll it on my scalp. Literally the hairline, everywhere, all over the top. And that's supposed to create like micro lesions in your scalp to open up the pores and allow your scalp to really take in the nutrients of the medication that we're about to give it. And that medication is this little dropper right here. It's a topical treatment prescribed by Blue Med Center as well. And it has minoxidil, tretinoin, dexamethasone, and finasteride, topical finasteride. And I've heard a lot about topical finasteride, great reviews. It's like finasteride without the side effects. And so I'm taking it orally and then also doing the topical version. But this is a mixture prescribed by Blue Med Center. Minoxidil, which has been proven to regrow hair. And tretinoin, I know I use tretinoin for my skin as well. It peels a layer of skin. It opens up your pores to really absorb these nutrients. That's it. That's all I do extra. Now, I have always advocated for a daily multivitamin. I think your body, just like a machine, needs to be serviced regularly, also needs to be given all the right fuels and all the right tender loving care. It's almost impossible to make sure you're getting it all from your daily diet. I already coach clients to ensure that they're feeding optimally to reach their nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle goals. And I'll tell you right now, 98% of the people out there can't even ensure that they're getting enough calories and the right amount of protein. So you can't count that you're getting all the right nutrients and vitamins in the right proportions. Definitely recommend multivitamin. Also, I know biotin is a great vitamin for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And so I take this every day as well. Just one pill, 10,000 micrograms daily. I've been taking this for about 5 years, this for 10 years, this for about 10 years. This started 6 months ago when I started this PRP treatment. And that is where you see most of the results. So I know this is a big factor in the results I've received. And I hope my story and my experience adds value to you and helps you make your decision. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Use me as a resource. Use me as a friend, as a coach, whatever it might be. Follow me on Instagram. I just share my knowledge daily on my Instagram in short form video format, which is what I'm really used to. I want to spend more time building this YouTube channel because I think there's a lot more knowledge and education and information I can share on here. So in order to support that, please make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment, you do everything every YouTuber says to do, because supposedly it works for the algorithm, whatever it might be, just do it. Continue to support me. I'll continue to support you and provide you as much value as I can, because my goal in life is to leave the world a better place than I found it. So I love you. Go get it.